All right, welcome back to Big Music, wherever you're watching us, Facebook, YouTube, could be anywhere. Second Fender unboxing of the day. We got a couple of boxes this morning. We're gonna check out whatever's in this box as well. They put the guitar in a guitar case. What we've got in here. Oh my lord.
Yeah.
Oh,
look at that.
Headstock. Oh. What? What do we got here, Harry?
It's a limited edition 68 Strat Journeyman relic in aged surf green. I can't stop looking at it.
That's one of the hottest things I've ever seen.
That's the headstock as well.
Oh,
Big
that CBS, yeah. My lord. This checking on it almost looks like running water. Unbelievable. And this is available right here at Big Music. Come and check it out.